Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas today, and I'm going to be doing a modern minimal pour. I'm very lucky to be teaching at the next Art Lab retreat, which is in Marina del Rey, August 6th through the 8th. And my fellow instructors are Mina Villegas and Janice Pittman from Just Janice on YouTube. We decided that for a little collab, we're going to trade techniques. So I'm going to be doing a modern minimal pour tonight, which is the class that Mina Villegas will be teaching at the retreat. Janice and Mina also have videos. There's a small playlist, which you can find in my video description. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm going to do something modern and minimal, but instead of doing it exactly like Mina does, where she pre-paints her canvas and then she does a transparent base coat and then puts a design on and tilts it out, and it's very minimal, it's very wispy and ethereal, and they're beautiful. My modern minimal pour is going to be a pearl pour. I was just in the States and I got I think I got 8 bottles of DecoArt satin enamel, and I'm itching to do a pearl pour. So I'm going to do this technique, but keep it very minimal. And by minimal, it is minimal in design, meaning that there's going to be lots of negative space, hopefully, but also minimal in color palette. So anytime you want to do something that really calms the mind, which is what the modern minimal really does, it makes things very, instead of being very busy, you have an interesting design, but minimal colors, and it's very soothing to look at for a lot of people, and I am one of them. So my pearl recipe is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part Artist Loft Soft Body White, and 1 part DecoArt Satin Enamel, and then just enough water to get it down to where it just barely leaves a mound and then disappears. I could go even thinner with this. The thinner you make it, the more pearls you're gonna get. And then for my color, I have Amsterdam Ultramarine Blue. It's a really shocking blue. I love this color. And I just happen to have just enough in order to do this. So both of my paints are the same consistency. So to get started, I'm just gonna make a big puddle here in the middle. I have just mixed these paints, so I'm expecting lots of air bubbles. And for a pearl pour, that is a good thing, because those air bubbles bring up the base coat color into pearls. I forgot to mention that in my recipe, I did also put in a healthy squirt of Liquitex pouring medium, the one with the gray label. It's a really strong binder. Floetrol doesn't have a lot of binders in it, so I add that in there so that the pearls hopefully hold their shape rather than stretching out in really weird ways. So I will put more paint on here in a moment. I still have plenty left, but first I'm going to pour my design, and I've got way more blue paint here than I need. I'm going to make 2 circles, one like that, and one like that, and that's it. That's all I'm going to do. And then we're going to move that around a little bit. Yep. And we're going to cover the rest of our sides and edges, just enough to cover the entire canvas. We can see there's a little halo happening here, which means that the recipe is working. And then we're just going to tilt this off in a couple of places, and I'm just going to keep hopefully the inside circle from going over the edge, but I want the outside circle to go over in a couple of places. At the moment, I'm just really tilting the white paint to get my corners covered and making sure that I'm getting a really interesting composition with my colors. No need to tilt super fast. You can go fairly slow. I think I'm going to grab this side over here. I'm not going to take it over any of the corners. I want it to go off on the sides, like so. And then we'll stretch this down to this corner. and check out our composition and see if we want to make any changes. I'm already getting some pearls coming up, which is a really good sign. Go all the way over. There we go. Actually, I'm going to come down this way because I didn't catch that side enough. There we go. And then I'm going to pull it right back down. Sorry if you couldn't see that. I'm going to center that, get a little closer to the center. And now we wait. So I'm going to put this on a bit of a time lapse for you, but I am going to come back in about 45 minutes and the pearls should be done forming, and we'll check out and see what we've got. So this is about 10 minutes later, and I'm really happy with the amount of pearls that I got in this. If I had gone thinner, the pearls would have taken over, but I like that there's still some solid ultramarine blue in there that's really pretty. I love that shape in the center, and I love how the pearls follow right through that shocking blue color. Strong contrast is really important also in modern minimal, because you're using, oh, that section right there is so pretty. Because you're using a minimal color palette, you need those colors to have strong contrast between themselves. So the white and that shocking ultramarine blue work really well together for something modern and minimal. Okay, so this was 10 minutes, and this may develop a little bit more, but I don't think much. The Artist Loft Soft Body White and the Satin Enamel together is very reactive, so it usually does most of the reaction in the first 10 to 15 minutes. But it may develop a little more overnight, so we'll come back in the morning and see how it's done. And here she is all dried. Modern, minimal, and just very soothing to look at. I really like it. I hope you like it too. Thank you very much for watching, and check out the website for artlabretreat.com if you're interested in coming and learning from the three of us, Nina Villegas, Janice Pittman, and I, and we hope to see you there. Go mix up some paints and be fearless.